Retail sales show the consumer may be slowing. The headlines make the news seem worse than reality, but I'd say the data was still disappointing for December retail sales. Headlines indicated sales were flat and well short of the estimate of 0.4%, but this is looking month over month, and when we look at the annual gain of 2.4%, I believe it tells a better story. Now, 2.4% isn't setting the world on fire, but there were some questions as to whether or not there was some pull forward in spending early on in the holiday season. If we look at the period of October 2025 through the end of the year, sales showed a more impressive gain of 3% compared to the prior year. For all of 2025, sales were up an impressive 3.7%. Looking again just at the month of December, non-store retailers were strong as sales saw a gain of 5.3%, food services and drinking places climbed 4.7%, and healthcare and personal care stores were up 6.4%. The only major categories that saw declines on an annual basis were furniture and home furnishing stores, where sales were down 5.6%, and motor vehicle and parts dealers, where sales fell 1.1%. While again the report wasn't as bad as the headlines made it seem, it does indicate that the consumer is worth watching in the coming months. My belief is that we will still see good growth in 2026 and that the negatives in this report likely stem from, again, that pull forward in spending that we saw earlier in the holiday season. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.